In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your seller information transparent in Google AdSense. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's dive right in. The first step you need to take is to open Google AdSense and log into your account dashboard. Make sure you enter your credentials correctly so you can access all the features you need. Once you're in, you're greeted with a clean interface that gives you a snapshot of your ad performance. Now, to enhance transparency, we need to navigate to your account information. Look for the left sidebar menu. You'll see several options there. Go ahead and select Account. After that, click on Settings, and then choose Account Information. This is where things get a bit more exciting because we are about to change how your seller information is displayed to your audience. You will now find a section titled Seller Information Visibility. This is crucial for transparency, especially for those who are serious about maintaining an open business relationship with their audience. Look closely here for the toggle switch. It should currently be set to Confidential. Change this setting to Transparent. This simple action allows your users to see your seller information, fostering trust and credibility. Next, it's time to tell Google AdSense about your specific business. In the provided box beneath the visibility toggle, enter your website's primary business domain. This would be something like your website.com, but of course make sure you enter your actual website address. Having your domain linked here enhances transparency, allowing users to verify your information easily. You've done great so far. Now, once you've entered all the required details, it's important to refresh the page. This step is essential because it allows any changes you've just made to fully process. So go ahead and click that refresh button on your web browser. After refreshing, take a look up at the top of your dashboard. If everything went smoothly, that error alert banner you saw earlier should have disappeared. How satisfying is that? Now your seller information is transparent, enhancing your credibility with users on Google AdSense. Remember, the more transparent you are, the more trust you build with your audience, which is a key aspect of running a successful online business. And that wraps up our tutorial for today. Making your seller information transparent is not just a good practice, it's a smart move in building a solid relationship with your audience. If you have any questions or need further clarification, please drop a comment below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tutorials. Your support means a lot and helps us create more content